Alright, so it's, what day is today? Tuesday. And we're just out of Marathon, headed back out to Sombrero Reef. That's that big tower out in front of us. And we have wind. We're sailing. This is pretty extraordinary. You see Ann smiling? Everybody's smiling. Smile for the camera, boys.
Yet another stopper knot that wasn't there before.
Alright, I'll just go 360. What the heck? Show you the whole boat.
7 Mile Bridge?
Yeah, 7 Mile Bridge.
Dolphins.
Dolphins. Where?
Be on the starboard bow.